O Christ Jesus, when all is darkness and we feel our weakness and helplessness, give us the sense of your presence, your love, and your strength. Help us to have perfect trust in your protecting love and strengthening power, so that nothing may frighten or worry us. For living close to you, we shall see your hand, your purpose, your will through all things. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pagbansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Now, without further ado, let's kick off today's proceedings with a warm welcome message from our former DCIPC OIC. A round of applause
located right at the heart of East Asia.
Thank you kayo niya sa inyong introduction. Masigla kong hapon, kanatong tanan. Uy, nagduka man. Graduation ninyo ng adlaw, dapat excited ka. Ako gusto na. Masigla kong hapon, kanatong tanan. Nakaran. Ako pag-impunan. To our City Mayor, Thomas Mark Mix Durano, to our ever-supportive Vice Mayor, Ramonito Durano III, together with our City Councilors, to the organizing partners who are present today, TESDA Region 7 and Call Center Academy, who have been with us since the start of this program, the Ramonito Durano Family Foundation Incorporated, who plays a crucial role in facilitating and coordinating all the stakeholders of this program, represented by its president, Mr. Ace Durano, and to our partner schools, Cebu Technological University, Danao City Campus, and the Colegio de San Antonio de Padua, to our very important guests who have traveled all the way from Cebu just to be with us this afternoon. Once again, maayong hapon ka na itong tanan. Na-active na tayo tutupag. Danao City's direction, aside from becoming the next industrial hub in the island of Cebu, to aspire to be a model city of sustainable and resilient development with globally competent Danawanos. We understand and know the potential of every Danawano. If the city's mission is to have at least one member of the family to have sufficient income, diversifying the city's direction in terms of investment is necessary. Thus, the aim of the city, now aligned with its digitalization roadmap, is to be the preferred and most viable option as the next IT-BPM hub in the island of Cebu and the Visayas region by 2025. With this, we have focused our direction in making Danao City IT-BPM ready. With the help from our partners, such as the Cebu IT-BPO Organization, or CIPO, we are able to strategically focus our resources to 3 areas of development. 1, talent development. 2, IT-BPM supporting infrastructure such as connectivity and stable power supply. And lastly, availability of space. Sooner or later, Danawanos will see and experience infrastructures and establishments constructed intended for this type of investment in Danao City. Dili na kinahanglan mo ato bata og Cebu para mo trabaho o call center. Puhon, naa na po taana dili sa Danao. So, dili na tayo mulayo sa inyong pamilya. But let me highlight on what we have been doing since last year. Under the area of talent development, in partnership with TESDA and the Call Center Academy, we were able to establish the Danao City IT-BPM Scholarship Program. If I'm not mistaken, kamo karon dinhi ikaunong na mong batch, no? So ubay-ubay na yun ang tagamtam ni ining programa sa atong dakbayan. We also organized our very first IT-BPM job fair, attended by 22 IT-BPM companies from Cebu City, and a series of hiring caravans this year by Concentrix and Accenture. With this, we are able to gain traction and welcome not just applicants from Danao City, but even from neighboring cities and municipalities as well. And matod pa nila sa atong mga IT-BPM companies na nakabisita dali sa Danao, magbalik-balik dyan sila kay ang hiring probability diri sa Danao is high, which means majority of applicants are hireable. To our 325 deserving scholars who were able to complete and finish the program, congratulations to each and every one of you. As next steps to increase the Danao City IT BPM talents, we will continue to encourage schools to open IT courses and quality IT computer labs, making graduates IT BPM ready. At the end of this, the digitalization roadmap aims to see every Danawanon family improve its quality of living and welfare. To my fellow Danawanons, expect and anticipate for more because Danao City is more than ready to be the next IT BPM hub of Cebu. Ug sa ato mga graduates karong hapuna, please share this opportunity to your relatives and friends, taga-Danao man or dili. Pwede ka mo appeal aning IT BPM scholarship program nato dinhi sa Danao in partnership with Call Center Academy, TESDA 7, and the Ramonito Durano Family Foundation Incorporated. Of course, with the support of Colegio de San Antonio de Padua and CTU Danao City Campus. So daghang salamat, masidlakong hapon kadaghan.
Salamat, Sir Red, for your words and dedication sa tibuok pamilyang Danawanon. Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the presence and arrival of our City Mayor, Honorable Thomas Mark Mix Durano. Next, next on our program is the presentation of candidates for graduation. May I invite Mr. Ernesto Gimbican, Manager of the Call Center Academy, to do the honors.
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Okay. Alright, so I, Ernesto Gimbican, Cebu Call Center Academy Manager, have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Cebu Call Center Academy for the school year 2023 and 2024 of Contact Center Services and Computer System Servicing, and lastly, Creative Web Design. Sorry, forgot. Alright, so I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the prescribed TESDA curriculum for Contact Center Services, Computer System Servicing, and Creative Web Design. This is, please stand up, guys.
Thank you, sir. At this point, to deliver an inspirational message and confirm the candidacy of our graduates, please welcome Mr. Rolino Cabigas of TESDA Carmen.
By the authority listed on me from our Director Rolo Garita of TESDA Cebu, and upon the recognition of trainers and administrators, I hereby confirm your graduates and your certificate and allowances will be distributed this 25th day of November 2024. Congratulations. I speak for Honorable City Mayor Mix Durano, this graduation, I purposely prepared a short story about this. There was a little boy meet a fisherman. A fisherman at early in the morning carrying fish. The boy said, "Manong fisherman, give me a fish." But the fisherman answered, "When I give you this fish, you can eat this fish only one. But when I teach you how to catch fish, you can eat this fish and all time or in your whole life, as well, including your family." So this is the mission of our government through this and our partners. They are inculcating my part in knowledge and skills of different qualification, such as computer system services in Sito, creative web design, contact centers in Sito. Those skills are very important in order to maybe you can easily find a job later on. So congratulations and may hapon.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and confirmation. Well, bibigyan ko na ako ang mensahe ng madaming karon mga graduates as we still have a lineup of inspiring words from our key partners. Actually, we are very fortunate to have the support of several partners who have been instrumental in the success of the IT-BPM Scholarship of Danao City. Ukaroon adlaw, despite of their busy schedules, with doing duty habits na kalit sa atong graduation program. Ukaroon, let's hear a message from Ms. Ayo Kimora, representative of BDG and Sherpa Peace, who will share a few words with us. A big round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, mga graduates, again, ano pa kapag si Ms. Ayo?
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Ayong hapon sa tanan. Tama ba ako? Tagalog po kasi ako. First of all, congratulations to all the graduates here. And also congratulations to Call Center Academy graduates of Danao City Scholars. And in behalf of my boss, the former DDG of TESDA, Anicieto John Bertis III, and the former congressman, and now the representative of Arangkada Filipino Party List. Congratulations, each of you, and he extend the heartfelt congrats to each of you for the successfully completing your training in computer system NC2, contact services NC2, and creative web design. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have truly paid off, and today marks a significant milestone in your professional journey. As you step in the world with your newly acquired skill, we are confident that you are more than ready to make a positive impact in tech, customer service, and design industry. The knowledge you gain here will serve as a strong foundation for your future success. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Continue to pursue excellence, stay curious, and keep pushing boundaries. The world is sure to shape, and we believe in your ability to achieve great things. Once again, congratulations and continue dreaming and learning. Again, maayong tanan and salamat kayo.
Maraming salamat mga Ayo Kimura. Tagalog din si Ma'am Parehata Ma'am. Anyways, now let's watch a video message from our senator na very supportive sa ato ang IT-BPM Scholarship Program since Batch 1. He's no other than Honorable Christopher Lawrence Bongo. Let's watch this.
Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Binabati ko po ang lahat ng graduates ng Technical Education and Skills Development Authority ngayong araw na ito. Malaking tagumpay po ito para sa inyo lahat, dulot ng inyong mga pagsisikap upang makumpleto ang inyong pag-aaral. Habang ipinagdiriwang natin ang inyong graduation, lubos din ako nagpapasalamat sa TESDA dahil matagumpay ito na nakapagbibigay ng mga kakayahan at kasanayan sa ating mga kababayan upang mabigyan sila ng job at livelihood opportunities at magkaroon ng mas magandang kinabukasan. We need more skilled workers in various industries, and I encourage graduates to use your newly acquired skills to help our country's economy grow. You are now equipped to contribute to our society and make a positive impact in your respective communities. Nais ko rin po kumendahan ang ating mga TESDA instructors, trainers, at staff na naging mahalagang bahagi ng tagumpay ng ating mga graduates. Kung hindi dahil sa kanilang dedikasyon, hindi magiging posible ang programa nito. Sa mga pamilya at mahal sa buhay ng ating graduates, salamat po sa inyong suporta sa kanila. Ang inyong pagmamahal ay naraking tulong sa kanilang tagumpay. Nandito lang po ang inyong Senator Kuya Bongo na hanggang magservisyo po sa inyong lahat sa abot po ng aking makakaya. Muli, binabati ko po kayo sa inyong graduation. Tumulong po sana tayo na mas mapaunlad pa ang ating bayan at hangad po ang inyong magandang kinabukasan. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Alright, sa wala personally si Senator Bongo mag-feel good hapon na ang presence niya. Especially na iyang team diri headed by Sir Lawrence Chua na mamatag po o mensahe para sa atong tanan. A round of applause, please.
Mayroon hapon, galingan na. Akong pag-yun po sa itong pinaranggan ngayon, next day po doon nag-review siya, nag-review. Okay, pala po na ito, ever supportive na itong Mayor Cristiano, Mayor Thomas Misdoano. And of course, kuyog sab, no, isa sa ato ang mga ato ang yun, taga-Danao yun eh. Former Congressman, o rin namin atong palapakan si Tom Redolano, Tom Street. And from Arangada Filipino Party List, niasab dali atong palapakan si Ma'am Ayo Kimura, ma'am, ayong hapon. And atong kauban from TESDA Carmen, palapakan nato si Sir Ronilo Cabigas, ayong hapon. Kaninyong tanan, ayong hapon pag-usap. Naliwag ito na mula ta. Ha? Kung sa mga oras yung panin nila. Sala na yung bimbim. Pero ngayon na mong kabalaka, nakita si Senator Bongo, pero ngayon na mong pasay, dilig isang pangilog to. Pero pang snacks na lang kita ninyo, naamoy Jollibee ang burger ka na. Ngayon na sa ko, aside sa burger, Manayo na sa pagpasaylo kay ani mo nila walang may dala, paggawas nyo na bibit-bit ng grocery packs na rin. Okay na? So ngayon, Center Academy, headed by sa ilang presidente na wala man dili, si Mama Cristel Ong kay wala ginisip ya tanan kay ilang mga graduation, hindi naman diri sa Dakbayan sa Danao, sa tuban ng mga kalusuran pa diri sa Cebu, sa Norte, sa South, sa Mandawi, mas kinasa naman, nag-invite ko na Call Center Academy sa Arma. So, si Senator Bongo, as member of the Committee on Basic Education, pasalamatan niya ang tanan mga estudyante kay kita man bilang umaabot. Nagkadungog ba ng resulti na layo nakagabtan, pero layo pagkagabtan. Sa to? So, ginagawa na hita po din sa ato karon is it's a malipay na kayo natin milestone na na siya. Dako or gamay na daog sa kinabuhi, we still need to celebrate it. Kaya dili tanang tao, dili tanang individual na hatagan ng susama na opportunity niya sa inyo ma. Kung nakalami pag-inani, kamo ang tipong estudyante na kamo'y muskwila, pero kamo mo'y bayran. Kaya naamon na awans. So, ako gusto lang na ko i-share no kay trend kayo ron sa social media. Let me have this opportunity. Trend kayo ron sa social media ka nang gitawag nila o wala gina-normalize na ito nang ginapapili ang mga estudyante. Kung saan? Diskarte mo, diploma. Ayaw mo turuan na. Ano na siya? Daghan ang tao na walay kapasidad, walay oportunidad, walay chance na maka-eskwela tungkol kay walay eskwela. That is why nabilan sila og choice na mo diskarte. Pero ang kining mga tao na nasa upper class o nasa middle class na dunay ikapaskwela ito mga ginikanan, ayaw yung tao mo ingon na mag-diskarte mo. If there is a chance, if there is an opportunity for you to study, ayaw mo ingon na mag-diskarte na lang po ba alam wala pwede diploma. Ay, alam yung daganan mo diskarte na ako diri. Hindi ko magbahay na nagsulti ko anak. Kaya na naman, ako, sa tinunanay lang, sa gamay pa ko, diligid ako ganahan yung muskwila. But karon na, nakita na ko kita mo ba ng mga estudyante na kinanglan pa mumatan sa iyo para mabaligyan pagkaon, mabaligyan something para nasa rin pangbalon. Nakauna-una ko, aswerte pag-ibigay ko sa unang panahon na nunay ng muskwila na ko. So ayaw kong mapatak na sa inyo mga una-una. Kaya mauragig sa pinagusto ni Senador Bongo no, kaya kita baya ng mga kabatanunan ang kamuragig at ikulan mga dito. Kamu nga mga kabatanon, no? Kita ng mga youth, mato ni Senador Bongo ang masunod no, ang kalibutan. So wata kabalo na adil ang future ng mga engineer, wata kabalo na adil ang future ng mga politiko din sa Danao, wata kabalo na ang presidente diri, presidente sa Kapilya. Diba? So wala yung posibilidad ng may presidente sa Kapilya diri? Okay, si Senator Bongo nagpahinundong na walay imposible ang kalibutan. Okay? So kung saan ang inyong na-learn karon, ay mo bahaya na nasayang inyong panahon. Kahit anan na mga butang na akong makatunan, walay na kayong makabenepisyo na kung dili kita. Kung tudlunan ta sa itong employer na mag-inom mo nga, boss, dili ko na, boss, dili na mga kong trabaho. Dili na siya mo yung mga. Because ang kanang imong employer, imong kauban sa trabaho sa eskwelahan, ang mutudlo nimo bago na butang, dili man sila mga benepisyo na kung dili ikaw. So learning is non-stop. Ang kanang butang sa kalibutan, dunay limit apan para nako personally o para ni Senator Bongo, ang education, ang pagkakonso sa kabagay ang dili nato limit. Okay? So daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. And again, I really thank CCA, TESCA, and of course, ang LGU Danao City sa kanunay na pagsuporta, pag-invite kay Senator Bongo diri sa ilahang mga programa. And I would like to take this opportunity for also ang katugingon ni Sir Red Camarina na ang Danao is the industrial hub yun diri sa Cebu sa Norte, no? Wala dihanin mo makita mga kaigsunan. Kato, kali wala ni siya pagdapig-dapig pa. Sige mga pagdatong Norte, Biyahe kay Padulong Tapela, kay Mutanong Negros ko. Sa mga maagi dali. Kaya wala ni siya ibang na dili na ito magkinas ngayon na sa red dali ha. Dili na sa tinuwag na kwan ako. Ma-amaze with ko ba sa magi ko na lang. Palakpakan na akong gano'n. So again, hindi na lang ko magdugay. Nagapanamilit na lang ko pinagi sa Pag-ingon, matod ni Senator Bongo. Padayon lang, kita ang pag-asa sa atong bayan o mag-imo lang kita mayo kay kung kayuhan na kita itong i-prioritize sa itong kinabuhi, hindi kita masayo pa na. Dagang salamat o manapong ganyan ka. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Sir Lawrence. Sir Lawrence Chua for that inspiring words. I know na excited na ang atong mga graduates sa Young Burger niya. Unya na naman mga graduates ha. But for now, let's hear another inspirational message. Gikan sa atong Kalamyong Mayor sa Dakbayan. Let's all welcome Honorable Thomas Mark Mix Guerrero.
Last week, November 23, Friday, I was invited by DTI to accept the CMCI Most Improved Component City Award and delivered my acceptance message in front of other local government units. I shared that when I started my first day of service as mayor of Danao City, replacing the formidable and outstanding servant leader, my father, Mayor Monito Lurano III, and I said, and repeatedly reminded myself that I may not be the best leader, but I'll be better every single day. To our distinguished guests this afternoon, to the local government unit of Danao City, department heads, my brother, Mr. Red Durano, Mr. Lawrence Chua, from the office of Senator Bongo, our friends from the Call Center Academy, partners from TESDA, to our academy, and most especially to you, our IT BPM graduates. And family members, friends, masidlakong hapon, kanatong tanan. I just want to be direct. There's a message I made, but I just want it from here. Daghan na kasulti ng akong brother, si Red, na may daghang punto na hatag si Mr. Chua. But for me, to let you know, just continue whatever you're doing. Let's always strive for the best para nato. Naagin sa inyong mga kamot ng inyong kumamot. Ang kami na sa Danao City will always look and strive for the best para ninyo. Isulti naman ni Red ng preparation sa Danao City, yes, it will come. Para na ninyo. So let us work together, let us work together, and let's keep on hoping that ang atong mga direksyon mag-abot ituwan sa inyo o maayong hapon na natin.
Salamat, Mayor Mix Guerrero, for that inspiring and visionary message. Kung makabatay mo, ang goal dyan sa ito ang mayor, puhunan para sa paminabuhian, trabaho para sa kadaghanan. And this message resonates deeply with the goals of an IT BPM scholarship program sa atong Dakbayan. This initiative reflects the Danao City's commitment to uplifting its people by equipping them with the skills needed for a thriving IT BPM industry. Through this initiative, we invest in talent, provide livelihoods, and shape a future where opportunities abound for all Danaoanons, ug even mga kasikbit ng mga lungsod. Kinsa diri taga Danao diri. Diba? Daghan. So it's an opportunity for all. Here and now, we're not just training individuals. We're building a community of a future-ready individuals like you who will help drive our city's growth and competitiveness. With our recent accolades, including the seal of good local governance and being named top 1 most competitive component city in Cebu Province and top 1 most improved component city in the Philippines, the Now City, under Mayor Miss Durano's leadership, continues to stand as a beacon of good governance and innovation. And for that, atong tagaan pag-usap ug masipag pakpak ang atong Mayor Miss Durano for his unwavering dedication in making the Now City a city of opportunities. Alright, let's now proceed to the moment we've all been waiting for, the ceremonial distribution of certificates and allowances recognizing the hard work and dedication of our graduates. May I invite all our honored guests, Mayor Miss Durano, and our partners, Sir Red, Ma'am Ayo Kimura, Sir Ronald Cabigas of TESDA, and our Sir Lawrence Chua, as requested by Mayor Miss Durano. And now let me turn over the floor to Ms. Jimali Balingat of Call Center Academy to read the citations and the names of the graduates.
Hey guys, this is it. Congratulations, John Melvin Almola, Hester Kai Bardoquillo, Juanito Barriga Jr., Junfir Bacaluna, Vincent J. Bataluna, Jean Rev Abalde, Alain Juliel Almacen, Angel May Almaden, Christine Alquisola, Mark Lawrence Anobos, Marites Mantaveros, Lance Adam Capuyan, Vanessa Bala, Adrian Jaime Arcelon, Kate Stephanie Abukay, Kevin Lucena, Ralph Lopez, Michael J. Jimenez, Janelle Formentera, Christine Grace Aringay, Jean-Paul Badayos, John Stephen Bedia, Humphrey Barrow, Ken Binman Boter, Aijan Matthew Braga, Aldrich B. Wong, Yades Bracero, Raizame Capuno, Christine Marie Kawayan, and Hannah Joy Padino. Congratulations to the graduates of Creative Web Design, Computer System Servicing, and Contact Center Services. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Thank you to our city officials and our partners for presenting the certificates and allowances. And of course, congratulations to our graduates. Again, ceremonial distribution rato mga guys. So ayaw mo kagukol kung wala pa mo ma-receive sa inyong certificates of allowances. And later, after this program, mahatag na din na ninyo. Okay ra, mga graduates? Okay, let's give ourselves a big round of applause, please. Anyways, our celebration here would not be complete without hearing from some of our graduates. We have representatives from Contact Center Services, Computer Systems Servicing, and Creative Web Design, who will share their testimonies and responses. First, let's hear from Van Colin Wagas of Creative Web Design. A round of applause, please.
I have given this message a title, A Heartfelt Thank You. To all our coaches, mentors, and trainers at the Call Center Academy CCA, to all the administrators of the Call Center Academy, to Technical Education and Skills Development Authority TESDA, and the now City Government. To Ms. Ayo Kimura, Representative, DBG, Anisito Biliz III, to Mr. Ronelo Cabigas of TESDA, to Congressman Honorable Ramon Red H. Durano VI, to our beloved Danao City Mayor, Honorable Mayor Thomas Mark H. Durano, all honored guests, TESDA Scholarship Team, and all Call Center Academy Scholarship Team, a pleasant afternoon. It has been a privilege given the chance to speak in behalf of my fellow scholars in this endeavor of skills development. I am not standing here, not because I am the best from the rest of the batch. I am standing here as a unified voice together with my fellow graduates today to extend our sincere acknowledgement to all who helped us, especially the CCA, TESDA, to accomplish this milestone. Today, as we march into the stage to receive our recognition and certification, we are deeply grateful for providing us with this opportunity to pursue this skills development. The knowledge and skills we have gained here will undoubtedly be invaluable as we embark on our professional careers. As we move forward, we pledge to use this education to make a positive impact on the world, as we will strive to be a responsible and ethical professional, always striving for excellence. Thank you once again to everyone who has contributed to this success. We are truly blessed. Daghang salamat o Sidlak Danao.
Sidlak Danao. Again, Sidlak Danao. Wow, good kayo energy sa mga graduates kayo. Kinalipay sila, makadawat na sila allowance niya. Next, we'll hear from the representative of the Computer Systems Servicing and C2. At tuwang tagal sa masibang baka, si Jindy Galindo.
Fellow students, teachers, and guests, good afternoon to each and every one of you. We are all gathered to celebrate the IT-BPM Scholarship Program, and without further delay, we would like to extend our sincere gratitude towards the team behind this program, especially to the Call Center Academy and TESDA Region 7 for giving us the opportunity to be one of your scholars. Congratulations, graduate, and thank you and have a nice day. Good afternoon, everyone, distinguished guests, trainers, and to my fellow graduates. It is an honor to stand before you today on this momentous occasion. So many people might think that adding a vocational course alongside the college degree is quite challenging and overwhelming. Yes, it is, since usama ko sa graduating students then however, the TESDA program has been surprisingly manageable and incredibly beneficial. The flexible scheduling allowed me to fit the training around my college and course and other commitments. The trainers understood the demands of balancing academics and vocational training, and they were incredibly supportive and understanding. Our trainer specifically was very fantastic. She was very patient, knowledgeable, and supportive, creating a learning environment that was both challenging and encouraging. The skills that I have learned in contact center services directly enhance my communication and interpersonal skills, which are crucial for success in my chosen field. And as a shy-type person, this program isn't just about getting a certificate, it's about developing a well-rounded skill set that will benefit me, us, through our academic and professional life. As today, we celebrate our achievements, and tomorrow we will use what we've learned to make a difference. Congratulations to us, my fellow graduates, and God bless. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kimberly. Now, before we conclude, let's take a moment to acknowledge the unwavering support and commitment of the Now City and its partners for this program. Well, the Now City's relentless pursuit in creating boundless opportunities for its people and establishing itself as a nucleus of technological advancements shines through this IT-BPM Scholarship Program. Through the concerted efforts of all parties involved, the Now City, under the Durano administration, is resolutely paving the way for a brighter, not just for its constituents, but also for the IT-BPM industry at large. Now, to present the token of gratitude for the Now City and its partners, may I call on once again Mr. Ernesto Gimbican, the manager of Call Center Academy.
Certificate of Recognition and Appreciation is proudly awarded to Honorable Ramon Red Durano for his unwavering support and partnership with the Technological Education and Skills Development Authority and Cebu Call Center Academy Training for Work Scholarship Program. Given this 2015 25th day of November in the year of the Lord 2024.
Of the Danao City IT-BPM Scholarship Program, a significant stride Danao City has taken in prioritizing livelihood, job creation, and talent development. Thank you to all our partners, mentors, and graduates for making this program a success. To our graduates, congratulations once again. Remember this. As you step into the next phase of your journey, remember that the skills and knowledge you've acquired here are not merely tools for employment, but catalysts for shaping the future of our city. You are the visionaries of the Danao City's IT-BPM Scholarship Program, and your efforts will chart the course of our city's growth and advancement in the years to come. With that being said, magpadayon ka